Hi guys, welcome back to Dude's Tech. Today, we're exploring the top 3 best Bluetooth 5.4 aux adapter, perfect for upgrading your wired audio devices to wireless convenience with stable connection, clear sound, and long battery life. Let's get started. Kicking off our list at number 3 is the Kebidu Bluetooth 5.4 aux adapter. The Kebidu Bluetooth 5.4 aux adapter is a smart and versatile audio device designed to upgrade your wired audio experience with wireless convenience. Featuring the latest Bluetooth 5.4 technology, it ensures faster connection speeds, lower power consumption, and exceptional signal stability. Whether you're streaming music, watching movies, or taking calls, this adapter delivers seamless connectivity and clear sound quality. Equipped with an LED indicator display, the adapter clearly shows Bluetooth working and connection status, making it easy to operate. Its hands-free call function enhances driving safety. Simply click to answer or hang up, long press to reject, or double-click to redial your last call. The built-in microphone ensures clear communication without needing to touch your phone. This device functions as both a Bluetooth transmitter and receiver, offering 2-in-1 flexibility for various audio scenarios. In receiver mode, it transforms wired speakers or headphones into wireless devices, allowing you to enjoy music from your smartphone or tablet. In transmitter mode, it connects your TV or computer to Bluetooth headphones or speakers for a wireless entertainment setup. The dual pairing feature allows you to connect 2 Bluetooth devices simultaneously, perfect for sharing music or watching movies with a friend using 2 Bluetooth headsets. Additionally, the TF card playback option lets you enjoy stored music directly without any external device. With a built-in rechargeable battery, the Kebidu Bluetooth 5.4 aux adapter offers up to 11 hours of continuous operation on a full charge, providing reliable performance for long trips or daily use. Compact, efficient, and feature-rich, this adapter brings wireless freedom to your favorite audio devices with ease and style. Coming in at number 2, we have the Toocki BT05 Bluetooth 5.4 aux adapter. The Toocki BT05 Bluetooth 5.4 aux adapter redefines wireless audio convenience with its compact, efficient, and feature-rich design. Weighing just 23 grams, this ultralight adapter is built for portability, making it an excellent companion for travel, commuting, or everyday use. Despite its small size, it delivers a robust performance that enhances any audio setup. Equipped with Bluetooth 5.4 technology, the Toocki BT05 ensures low latency and stable signal transmission, providing a smooth and uninterrupted listening experience. Whether you're streaming music, watching videos, or gaming, the connection remains clear and reliable, allowing you to enjoy your favorite content without lag or distortion. The device's 2-in-1 receiver and transmitter functionality offers remarkable versatility. In RX mode, it transforms wired speakers, car stereos, or headphones into wireless audio systems. While in TX mode, it enables Bluetooth streaming from devices that lack built-in wireless capability. This dual-purpose design makes it adaptable to a wide range of scenarios, from home entertainment systems to on-the-go listening. One of the standout features is its dual device connection, which allows you to connect 2 devices simultaneously in receiver mode or pair with 2 headphones in transmitter mode. This means sharing music, movies, or podcasts becomes effortless, enhancing the experience for both users. Powered by a 300 mAh battery, the Toocki BT05 delivers up to 18 hours of continuous playback, ensuring you can enjoy extended listening sessions without frequent recharging. It's a perfect balance of performance, practicality, and portability, an ideal solution for anyone looking to bring modern wireless functionality to their favorite audio devices. And finally, at number 1, we have the Ugreen Bluetooth 5.4 aux adapter. The Ugreen Bluetooth 5.4 aux adapter is designed to bring convenience and high-quality audio to your everyday listening experience. Featuring a standard 3.5mm interface, it allows seamless connectivity with a wide range of devices, making it a versatile solution for turning traditional wired headphones or speakers into wireless audio devices. Its compact design makes it an ideal companion for travel, work, or home use, ensuring that your favorite music is always within reach. One standout feature of the Ugreen adapter is its built-in screen display, which allows you to easily monitor battery life at a glance. This helps you stay informed and plan your listening sessions without interruptions. Supporting AAC audio, the adapter delivers rich, clear, and detailed sound, enhancing your enjoyment of music, podcasts, or calls. Powered by Bluetooth 5.4 technology, the adapter ensures stable, fast, and reliable wireless connections, reducing latency and maintaining consistent audio quality. With up to 20 hours of continuous battery life, it provides extended playtime, eliminating the need for frequent recharging and allowing uninterrupted listening throughout the day. Whether you want to upgrade your wired audio devices or enjoy the freedom of wireless listening, the Ugreen Bluetooth 5.4 AUX adapter combines modern connectivity, practical features, and long-lasting performance in a compact and portable package, making it a valuable addition to any audio setup. That's a wrap on today's wireless audio showdown. Check the price link in the description, and don't forget to like and subscribe to Dudes Tech for more awesome gadget content coming soon.